My name's Daniel Gray and I'm the Managing Director of Maynards Europe in the UK. Today I'm talking to you about the Avara project, which was an AstraZeneca manufacturing site in Avonmouth in the southwest of England. We acquired the 100-acre site in December last year alongside our demolition partner Divestiture and our property partner EDC, who are based in Vancouver, Canada. We are demolishing and recycling every brick, every building, every piece of steel, every piece of metal, every curbstone and every road. There are over 10,000 assets to sell, and the ultimate aim of the project is to provide a developable platform for our partner EDC. The complexity of this project was compounded with the onset of COVID. We have very strict COVID protocols on site. Everybody's COVID tested when they enter the project, and we adhere to very strict health and safety policies. The building we're discussing today, the MPB, main production building, was built as a seismic building by ICI, meaning it was blast proof, and the construction of the building is very, very substantial indeed. So the most efficient way to keep on programme is to use explosives. Divestiture and Robin Rushforth blow out one column to test explosives, and the charge is correct, and once that's undertaken, we can then move to the next phase and plan the main blast event. And what we're doing on this project is this unusual. We're using water to push the columns, support columns of the building out. We're putting the explosives in IBCs of water. That will help mitigate dust spread during the explosion. And we do have seismic monitoring around the site during the explosion too. So the building has been cut in half, and the north part of the building will fall to the north and the south part of the building will fall to the south. It's one of our philosophies at Maynards that we look to sell industrial machinery and equipment. We auction it and sell it, but we also see the project having value in every asset, and it's just part of our environmental commitment that we look to recycle every asset on site. After we've finished demolishing and removing all the assets, our partner EDC in Canada are looking to build 4 distribution warehouses on the site covering 1.85 million square feet and bring hundreds of jobs to the local area.